Hello everybody, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to remove Temu's minimum purchase limit. So let's get started. These limits cannot be removed unless it is linked to specific conditions. However, we can use some strategies to get a work around these minimum purchase limits. First of all, go to Temu and find the no limit orders. So sometimes Temu has promotional offers that have no purchase limit. You can check this under the deal section. You can also check the promotion section that offer free shipping or discount without any purchase limit. You can also search for different kind of coupon codes that provide discount to your purchase, as Temu releases promo codes eventually that eliminate shipping fees. If you're really close to the minimum purchase limit, you can try adding a small item that helps you get over that limit. And if you use Temu frequently and order multiple times, you can try combining your future orders and avoid the minimum limit again and again. You can also check their app and website, as they sometimes offer memberships and subscriptions. If the minimum limit is an issue, then you can also go to the customer support and they will help you in bypassing certain limits. And also Temu often has site-wide sales where the minimum purchase limit is slightly reduced and also sometimes eliminated. So what you can do is to sign up to the newsletter so you can be notified whenever these things happen, and this should help you fix your problem. And there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.